they are changing. We are talking about change today. You're with me? You're with me? Yes. Alright. Now, there is something called a different zone, because it is so important for you to look into this one. This is called comfort, right? This is called comfort. Now, these are the people who are what? 95% people. Now, let me see who are the people who stays in the second zone, right? That's what I'm going to teach you now. Keep your hands like this again. This time, I want you to do a different way. If you're doing like this by your normal, I want you to do other side. If somebody's on the left, try to do be right. Somebody's on the right, try to be on the left. Alright? On my 3. 1, 2, 3. See, somebody's still trying. Is it comfortable? Tell me, be honest. Is it comfortable? Absolutely not comfortable. Myself, I'm totally not comfortable. Look at this, my hand. I was happy like this. Look at this. I don't have grip. It's painful. But somebody told me, if you're in this particular position, you will always see success. You cannot be sitting in a zone called comfort zone. So I said, okay, let me be in a different zone, in a difficult. This is what the life, my friend. If you want higher marks tomorrow in the exam, you all will be going to final exams one day very soon. If you really want to see good grades, please, girls and boys, you can never be sitting in a comfort zone and expect a very high marks. Forget it. You need to sit in a different zone other than comfort. That is called challenge. What is that? Challenge. That is called challenge. You cannot be sitting in a zone called comfort. So this thing is what? Challenge. Now, let me do one more time, one final time. Can I see the hands? How many of you want to see success again? Quickly? Yes. Okay. One last time. Keep your hands and just close on my 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright? 1, 2, 3. Close. Tell me honest. You went to the old position? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. That is the biggest problem. That is the biggest problem of us. We decided to study hard. We decided to work very hard. You decided to do everything different than other people. And you have just kept your marks, you kept your books, everything. Kasepu ayin tarvata nidrah vastadi. Abba. Repu chaduvudam. Right? You are going back to what zone? Comfort zone. You are getting back to your comfort zone. This is exactly happens in our life. Because you want to be in challenge, you really tried your best to be in challenge. The moment దగ్గరికి వస్తున్న ఛాలెంజ్ లో పెడతా నా చేతులు ఛాలెంజ్లో ఉంటాయి దగ్గరికి వచ్చేసరికి సంథింగ్ లోపల నుంచి వస్తుంది ఒకటి. లోపల నుంచి సంథింగ్ ఏదో వస్తుంది. నీ పిచ్చా ఎందుకురా చదువుతావు, ఏం చేసుకుంటారా ఎక్స్ట్రా మార్క్స్ తెచ్చుకుని, ఎవరిని ఉత్తరిస్తావా, ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి బుర్రలకి. వచ్చేసి మన చెయ్యి ఆటోమేటిక్గా నార్మల్ పొజిషన్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి అమ్మా బాగుంది. సో యూ వెంట్ బ్యాక్ టు వాట్ జోన్? Comfort zone. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, these guys will never be in comfort zone. They don't. They hate. You are a student also? Yeah? Good. Alright. Now see, I'm going to show you a simple demonstration how you're going to move into from comfort to challenge. Are you ready? Yes. I'm going to show you a small demo. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Come here. A simple demo. I just called him because right in front of to save the time, because I've got just 1.5 hours to finish. What's your name? Mohan. Mohan. You're taller than me. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to show you a simple demonstration. It's fun. Are you having good time? Yes, sir. Good. Let's continue. All right. Let me show you a simple demo here. How to move from comfort to challenge. All right. Mohan, right? Mohan, are you ready? Do me a 10 push-ups. Show me 10 push-ups. Push-ups. You know push-ups? You know? Not baskil. Push-ups. Are you ready? Okay. Do it, man. Okay, I'll do it for you. Come on. Do it. Count. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 2. షూ అడ్డ వచ్చింది షూ దిమ్మన్నాను ఇప్పుడు ప్యాంట్ అడ్డ వస్తుందని చెప్తాను. ఓకే 1, 2. ఏమైపోయాడు మోహన్ పాపం తీలేకపోయాడు రైట్. He's happy with normal 2 push-ups. I'm going to ask him to do another 4 or 5 push-ups. Push-ups. Ready? Do it. 4. Mohan, నువ్వు వైట్ చేసావు నీకు ఇస్తాను. Good. Sit down. Come on. Push it. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much. Give him a big round of applause. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది మోహన్కి? He was happy with ఒకటైతే గ్యారంటీ, మోహన్ ఇవాళ రాత్రి డిసైడ్ అయిపోయాడు రేపు నుంచి జిమ్కి వెళ్ళాలి. మోహన్ ఎంత అవార్డు అయ్యో 22. దాన్ని డబల్ వేసుకో, ఇంకా వేసుకో నేనంతా. ఆల్రైట్ 42 44 నేను. ఆల్రైట్ ఓకే. You want to know my age? I'm 56. Okay? I'm 56 years old. I have a son who is 27. Okay? Alright, let's listen. Now what happened on a serious note, Mohan, what happened to Mohan? He was happy with 2 push-ups, right? Then I pushed him to do some more push-ups. Now this is exactly what happens in your life. When you are happy with something, you will be happy with what you are. Unless you have some goal in your mind, unless I want to have something in my life, I want to change something in my life, I want to be something different than other people, you will not be able to move it to challenge. This is exactly, you need to think about it very seriously. You will not be able to move. Now what happened in Mohan case, although I was just doing it in a funny way, I told him I'll give you this watch, do me 4 more. He was ready to do it because he sees something there. You see that? He sees something there. That is what your goal. Do you have something in your mind? How many of you have goals in your life? How many of you have goals in your life? Keep your hands like that. Keep your hands like this. I want to know. Seriously. I want to make sure that I teach you before I leave this university today. I want to see all the hands. Alright. Now, wait. Now let me continue. My question. Be very honest, because I'm going to test it. Be very honest. And I want to see, out of all these hands which are being displayed, you have dreams in your life. How many of you have literally written on a piece of paper? Be honest. It's not keep it down. Let's not keep it down because I want to come and see those dreams. How many have literally written? How many of you have literally written? Not even 2% of this room. Keep it down. You know what happens? This is exactly happens. Because you wanted to think that I want to become something in my life. I want to be something in my life. This is what I want to be. Right? This is exactly what you have in mind, but the thing is, you are not written anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, you should understand, if you have a dream, something that is there in your mind, put it on a piece of paper. Write it. and look at it every single day. That will be your rabbit. You see the rabbit? You have to run after your rabbit. You think easy to get a rabbit? Rabbit knows, no? It will go, that will go, that will go, it will go, isn't it? So you need to be faster than that to go and catch the rabbit. That is exactly, you need to understand. For me, for example, why I have seen little success in my life, I always run after my rabbits. I always run after my rabbits. If once I get one rabbit, I don't keep quiet. If I keep quiet, which zone I'm going?
Comfort zone.
Exactly, I hate comfort. Once I get my rabbit, I write immediately the second rabbit. Run after it. Go after it until you get that rabbit. You should know what's your rabbits. Now, the simple mechanics, I just gave an example with Mohan here. If you want to build a muscle in your body, just an example. If you want to build a muscle in your body and you're going to gym every day, right? You want to be handsome, you want to have a good body, you want to have muscle in your body, and you are going to gym, and every day you're doing only that 5 kg bar. You see that? You're lifting only what? 5 kg bar. After 1 month you see, muscle wrong place lo chattu So what happened? He has to be very serious. He has to increase his capacity. You see that? You need to, means you wanted to get good marks in your exam and you are putting the same efforts and you are expecting to get 90 marks. It doesn't happen. I want you to connect to your exams and schools and life, whatever I'm giving you. Now, if you really want to have a good muscle, you start lifting 10 kilos, 15 kilos, 20 kgs, you keep lifting the weight. The moment you lift more weight, you know what happens to the body? Science. I know some of you may be science students. What happens? The existing muscle, what you have, the existing muscle, because you're putting pressure to the existing muscle. You're putting pressure to the existing muscle will break. That's the fact. The existing muscle will break. It will break because you're putting more pressure. It will break and it will start building additional muscle between the broken muscles. You see that? That's where you start building new muscle. Because that happened, you went into what zone? Challenge zone. You want to put an extra effort, you want to move from 50 marks bar to 70 marks, you need to put somewhere some additional efforts in your studies. And don't complain to anybody. Don't complain to your teachers. Don't complain to your parents. Don't complain to God when you don't settle in a good job tomorrow. Complain. Talk to yourself. It's my problem. You don't see success in your life. It is exactly your problem. It is not anybody's problem. Do you know that? Do you know that?
Yes.
Exactly. You need to question yourself. What am I doing? Am I ready? Am I ready to change? We are talking about change. Am I ready to change? You can change only when you move to challenge. You cannot change if you are just sitting in a zone called comfort zone, right? So there is a third zone for your information, is called panic. Panic. So panic, what happens? When you are in panic, you always get some pressure, shivering, tension, panic లో ఉన్నప్పుడు రిజల్ట్స్ బాగా వస్తాయా రావుగా? పానిక్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్పండి. పానిక్ అంటే ఏంటి? గివ్ మీ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఫర్ పానిక్. గివ్ మీ సమ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్. పానిక్ అంటే ఏంటి? భయపడటం. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది భయం? రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ రైట్? రేపు ఎగ్జామ్. ఇవాళ అంతా ప్యానిక్. వారం రోజుల నుంచి ప్యానిక్. భోజనం తింటే అరగదు, ఏమీ పని చేయదు, బుర్ర ఏమీ పని చేయదు. ఎందుకు? 360 రోజులు మీరు ఎక్కడ కూర్చుని ఉన్నారు? ఈయనల్లా మీడియా అన్నారు. 360 రోజులు ఎందులో కూర్చున్నారు? కంఫర్ట్ జోన్లో కూర్చున్నారు. 5 రోజులు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్దాం అనుకుంటున్నారు? ఛాలెంజ్ లోకి వెళ్తారా, ప్యానిక్ లోకి వెళ్తారా? దాట్స్ ద ప్రాబ్లం. లాస్ట్ 5 days ఆ బుక్ తిరిగేస్తా ఉంది, చదివేస్తా ఉంది, రైట్? చదివేద్దాం పీకేద్దాం, ఏదో చేసేద్దాం అని చెప్పి బుక్లన్నీ చదువుతాం, అవునా? కానీ ఎగ్జామ్కి వెళ్ళగానే పేపర్ చూడగానే బ్లాంక్. ఏంట్రా అంటే పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ సినిమాకి వెళ్ళా, అంతేనా? మహేష్ బాబు ఫ్యాన్స్ ఉన్నారా ఇక్కడ? ఉన్నారా లేదా? ఐ వాంట్ టు హియర్ సౌండ్. yes ఎన్టీఆర్ ఫ్యాన్స్, పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ ఫ్యాన్స్, రజనీకాంత్ ఫ్యాన్స్, కపాలిదా? ఆల్రైట్, ఓకే, అంత బాగానే ఉంది. Now let's go back to on a serious note here. Now the panic is the problem where you really don't get results. On a serious note, you need to understand how I can keep myself always in challenge. Challenge will drive you only to make sure that you are always in challenge when you have a dream of your life. I want to have my own dream achieved by myself, not by anybody else. You understand? You need to achieve. Now let me do one thing. I told you the rabbit, right? Yes. Let me give you a simple exercise because it is so important for you to have it. Please tear a paper from your book, all of you. Tear a white paper from your book. Everybody, I'll give you 30 seconds. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22. Everybody has it? Can I see the hands who does not have? Keep it down. Keep it down. Can I see the hands who does not have? Who does? Only that corner. What is that? Why is that so? Remember, guys, take an oath. Take an advice from me today. When you go to a speech anytime in your life, when you go for a speaker is talking something, you don't know what good point will hit you in your mind and you will take it up in your life. So take the points. You might think you are very smart, you might think you are very intelligent, I can remember all that point. Forget it. After 3 days you will forget it. Always remember to write the notes. Alright? Can I see please, the people who do not have it, can you share it quickly with one paper with those people? Quickly, I'll give you 10 seconds. The people who does not have papers, please. The people who did not bring the books, share it quickly. Tear it and give them, tear it and give them. Quickly. Quickly. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright. Now can I see the hands who does not have paper? Everybody has. Good. Alright. I know every hand, I know everybody said yes, we have a dream in our life. Yes or no? Yes. You don't have to share this with anybody. You don't have to show it to anybody. I will give you 15 seconds. Please write it in the middle of the paper. In the middle. Center. In the center. Please write it. What you want to be in your life. What is your dream? What is that I want to be? Please write down. Quickly. No speaking. Just quietly write down. I'll give you 15-20 seconds. Write down. You don't have to share with anybody. It is your personal. You will not be sharing with anybody. This is your dream. Can I see the hands who are still writing? Okay, almost everybody wrote. Alright? Okay, good. Now, do me a favor. Exactly what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to write my dream also. For example, okay. Sorry. I want everybody take the paper like this and make it like this. You see that? Make it like that and fold this one, the end. Fold it, end, yes, fold the end. You did it? Okay. Tear the end paper. Tear it. Okay? The paper, extra paper, put in your pocket. Put in your pocket. Housekeeping, don't keep it down. Put in your pocket. Alright? Itla undi kada? Make it triangle. Make it triangle. Can I see triangles? Everybody? Okay, listen now. ఎక్కడైతే రెండు ఓపెనింగ్ ఉన్నాయో చూసారా? ఎక్కడైతే రెండు ఓపెనింగ్ ఉన్నాయో. Alright? Now, ఈ రెండు ఎక్కడైతే ఓపెనింగ్ ఉన్నాయో ఆ చివర only a little bit. Tear it only a little bit. Don't tear it completely. Tear it little bit. Tear it little bit.